In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily checklist in Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to set up a clean, reusable checklist that you can use to stay on top of your tasks every day. Even if you're new to Notion, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step as we go. First, open Notion and navigate to the workspace or section where you want your daily checklist to live. This could be inside a main projects or tasks page, or any other area you already use to organize your work. Once you're on that page, look for the Create icon. Depending on your layout, this is usually a plus sign or a button that says New Page. Go ahead and click that. This will open a blank page for you to design your checklist. Now, let's give this new page a clear, recognizable name. In the title area at the top, type in Daily Checklist. You can adjust the wording slightly if you prefer something like Daily To-Dos or Daily Routine, but keep it consistent so it's easy to find later. Naming your page properly makes it much easier to search for and also mentally separates it from your other project or reference pages. With the page created and titled, we're ready to build the actual checklist. Click into the empty body of the page, just below the title. Notion has a handy shortcut for creating a to-do list. Simply type a /, then the words to-do list as one phrase. To-do list. As you type, Notion will show you a small menu of block options. When you see the to-do list option appear, hit enter or click it. Notion will instantly convert that into a to-do list block with checkboxes. You'll see your first empty item ready to go. From here, just start typing in the tasks you want to complete each day, one per line. After each task, press enter to add the next checkbox. Think about your usual daily routine, things like planning your day, checking email, working on a key project, or doing a quick review at the end of the day. Once your tasks are in, you now have a functional daily checklist. Each day, open this page and check items off as you complete them. You can uncheck everything the next morning to start fresh, or duplicate the page if you want to keep a history of each day. That's all you need to create a simple, effective daily checklist in Notion.